Hello guys, if you want to get free Chrono Crystals, watch this video. I will teach you how you can do it. I only had 157 Chrono Crystals before I started to record this video. Follow the video until the end and you will see step by step how you can do the same. Let's start by exiting our game. You do not need to close, it can run in the background. Then open your mobile browser. I use Google Chrome. If you have an iPhone, you can use the Safari web browser. There is no problem. Now let's visit appeasy.org/dblegends. Many people are using this website to generate free Chrono Crystals to their DB Legends account. My friend told me about it, and I had to try it out to see if it was legit. Thankfully, everything works fine. I will type my username, J the King. Now I select my mobile platform. I am using an Android, so I select Android. I will choose 50,000 Chrono Crystals. It is now generating the 50,000 Chrono Crystals to my Dragon Ball Legends account. The website is overloaded. As you can see, there are currently hundreds of people using it. Some people are abusing the system, and it needs to verify if you are an automated bot draining the system or if you are a legit person. So they have a verification system in place to verify the legitimate users. I will complete one of these simple tasks so I can pass the device verification test and get my 50,000 Chrono Crystals to my Dragon Ball Legends account. This app, all I need to do is download it and open for 30 seconds as the instructions show. I will speed up this part so you don't need to wait as long. However, there are no cuts in the video, so you can see the entire time that it works as expected. Keep watching the video and enjoy the music while you see how to pass the verification test.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection